Hello, my dears. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Teresa, and I'm here in Kamloops, British Columbia, on the unceded and occupied territory of the Secwepemc people. Today, we are going to look at a few different birds and see what they do in springtime. We are still in the season of spring, and many birds are busy building nests. So we'll take a look at that today. First, we're going to sing our Bluebird Song. Then we'll read our book. Then we'll play a sound game with 4 different kinds of birds. We'll do a new poem, and we'll say goodbye. Let's start with our Bluebird Song. So let's start with our book. Our book today is called What Happens in the Spring, and it's from the Books for Young Explorers by the National Geographic Society. Today we're going to look at the pictures about birds. Spring is a time of flowers and a nesting time for birds. A sparrow rests among the white blossoms of an apple tree. The little bird carries pieces of horsehair to line its nest. Do you see the horsehair that they're carrying in their beak? This blue and yellow bird, called a warbler, sits in a bayberry bush. The songbird usually stays high up in the trees, so it's very hard to see. In the forest, wildflowers bloom early, before trees have leaves that block out the sun. Here we have a hepatica flower, a purple hepatica, and this yellow flower is called a trout lily. This mother bluebird sits on her nest. She covers her eggs to keep them warm. When the eggs hatch, the baby birds cannot stand or open their eyes. They just chirp, chip, 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 and wait for food. The parents are busy catching insects for them to eat. They eat and eat all day long. They grow very fast. In a few days, the little birds are covered with soft feathers, and their eyes are open. It only took a few days, but it looks like they are still very hungry and looking for more insects insects to eat. Mallards are ducks. They can swim and fly. The father duck, that's this one, is called a drake. He has bright colored feathers. They're brighter than the mother. The mother has dull colored brown feathers and black and gray. That's so she can hide. Look how well she is camouflaged. That means she's hiding with her eggs. Soon after her eggs hatch, the ducklings can walk and swim. A baby duck is called a duckling. They waddle behind their mama duck and learn to swim. Shall we count the ducklings? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ducklings. That's our story for today. Now let's play our game. I've got some birds in my basket. We'll learn the names, then we'll play a game. You might remember them. Here we have woodpecker. Woodpecker. Can you say woodpecker? Woodpecker. Listen. Woodpecker. Woodpecker. Woodpecker starts with w. W. Like water or wash or why. Those words also start with w. Woodpecker. Do you know this one? It's cardinal. Cardinal. You know it because it's red. Can you say cardinal? Cardinal. Cardinal starts with k. K. Like cat or kick. Cardinal starts with k. So we have woodpecker, w. Cardinal, k. Blue jay. Blue jay. It's blue. Blue jay starts with b. B. Like bug or big or building. Blue jay starts with b. We have woodpecker, w. Cardinal, k. Blue jay, b. And one more. Here's robin. Robin starts with r. Robin. Can you say r? Other words that start with r are robin. So let's look again. Woodpecker, whoop. Cardinal, k. Blue jay, b. And robin, r. Now, we're going to play a guessing game. I'm thinking of one of these birds, and it starts with the sound, their name starts with the sound k. K. Which one is it? Which one am I thinking of? K. Did you say cardinal? Cardinal starts with k. K. Cardinal. Okay, let's try again. I'm thinking of one of these birds, and their name starts with w. 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 Did you guess woodpecker? W. W. Woodpecker? We'll do it again. I'm thinking of one of these birds, and the name starts with b. B. Did you say blue jay? It's blue jay. Blue jay starts with the sound b. We'll play one more time. One of these birds starts with the sound r. R. Did you say robin? It's robin. Robin. Thanks for playing with me. Okay, we'll learn our poem today. And it's about nesting. The nesting time when birds are making the nest that they lay their eggs in. It's called Nesting Time, and it's by Christina Rosetti. So, it's about wren, and a wren is a type of bird, and robins, like you know. Wrens and robins in the hedge. Wrens and robins here and there. Building, perching, fluttering, everywhere. Nesting time is very busy. Thank you for playing with me today. We'll see you again soon. Bye.